From the telematics control unit to interaction of a car with its manufacturing environment in production to infotainment systems, communication needs are constantly increasing, inside and outside the vehicle. JODY-W3 modules are made to carry the load. They deliver high-performance, concurrent dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and dual-mode Bluetooth Low-Energy 5.3 in automotive and industrial applications. And in combination with its long-range capabilities, JODY-W3 is suited for the most demanding situations. Vehicle systems maintenance also benefit from JODY-W3 capabilities. Over-the-air updates, wireless vehicle diagnostics, interaction with EV charging infrastructure, or map updates, just to name a few. Safe to say, with its ultra-compact footprint of 14 by 19 mm and dual-MAC Wi-Fi 6 performance, JODY-W3 is a true and outstanding pioneer. And its footprint ensures compatibility with the other members of the JODY product family. JODY-W3 supports applications with simultaneous access point, station and Wi-Fi direct operation, as well as infotainment with ultra-high-definition video streaming, screen mirroring, wireless backup cameras and cloud connectivity. For fastest integration and evaluation, JODY-W3 is also available as an M.2 card. In short, u-blox JODY-W3 offers high-performance, short-range connectivity with more devices, less congestion and higher throughput thanks to concurrent dual-band Wi-Fi 6. And all that at lower power consumption, thus delivering best user experience in combination of clever future-proof technology and backward compatibility.